call me Ty for short, and welcome to my channel. So what I'll be making is some salmon arugula salad. So I'll kind of show you what I'm doing. As you can see, I have some salmon that's cooking. I just seasoned it with some lemon pepper, garlic and herb, a little accent salt, and then I have it cooking in some olive oil. So then I am going to make an arugula salad. But I have some arugula that I got from Sprouts, savory tender leaf with peppery flavor arugula. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make my own dressing using the juice of 1 lemon, and then I'm going to take about a tablespoon or 2 of olive oil and mix it with the lemon juice. And then I'll put some garlic powder, and then I'll add some red pepper flakes, give it a little spice, and some sea salt, and that will be the dressing that I use. So then on the salad, I'm also gonna put, let's see, some crispy jalapeno toppings, and I'll also put some of the roasted salted sunflower kernel topping. And then I'll also, just for a little bit of sweetness, I will also put some dried cranberries, but not a whole lot of them, but just a little bit for some sweetness. And yeah, so that's gonna be my salad. Let's see if there's anything else that I'm gonna put on there. I think that's it. So yeah, so it's just gonna be the salmon, then I'll make my own dressing, then dress it up with a few of those toppings, and that will be it. I usually put some Parmesan cheese, but I like the kind that's a little bit more firm. I have this, well, I have some of this, so I could use some of this, but the only thing about it, well, yeah, I might use a little bit of Parmesan cheese too. So yeah, so it's time for me to flip my salmon. That's what's going off. Uh-oh, my light. Okay, so I'm gonna flip. I have it on the skin side, and I'm all right, guys, so I'll be back when I'm ready to make my salad. Okay, guys, so my salmon is done, so I'm going to cut off the skin. Okay, so now I have diced up my salmon. So now what I'm going to do, so I've diced up my salmon. So now I washed my arugula. So you can see it's all washed there. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to take a lemon and start dressing it. Let me get the rest of my ingredients. Okay, so I'm gonna use my little lemon top here. So I'm gonna take a lemon, I'm gonna roll it to kind of get those juices going in there. So then I'm going to cut my lemon. Okay, so this is how I'm going to do it. Get all the juice in there. Okay, so I'm gonna do one more half. See the juice going in there. And you can mix this like however you want. You can do it in a separate bowl first if you want, but I'm not. So I'm gonna measure out, so I don't wanna go over my olive oil. So let's see, I think all I need is 1 teaspoon, I think. So I'm gonna do 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Yeah, that's good. I don't need more than that. 2 teaspoons would be, or 2 tablespoons, I'm sorry, not teaspoons, tablespoons. 2 tablespoons would be a little excessive in oil, I think. So yeah. So I have that now. I'm going to just kind of eyeball the salt. Don't need a whole lot of it. Then I'm gonna put some red pepper flakes. Just get that nice and little spicy, little kick. So then I'm gonna add my garlic powder. Just kind of a layer of that. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is, before I add the salmon, I'm gonna put the top on this. I'm gonna give it a little shake. Shake, 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 shake. Uh-oh. Gotta keep that top on there. Give it a shake. Making a mess. So now that it's all shaken up, all right, so now I'm gonna add my salmon that I chopped up. Actually, before I add the salmon, guys, I'm getting ahead of myself. Before I add the salmon, I'm gonna add the Parmesan. And let's see, about a 1/4 cup of a Parmesan. I'm gonna just kind of hand measure it. It's about, oh, that's about a 1/4 cup. So a 1/4 cup of the Parmesan. Then I'm gonna put not a whole lot, just kind of some fingers full of the cranberry. And then 2 tablespoons. So let's see, that's about 1. That's about 2 tablespoons of the jalapeno topper. And then about 2 tablespoons of the kernels. So just kind of eyeballing what might be a tablespoon, like that's probably 1. That's probably 2. Okay, now that I have all of that, I'm gonna add my all right. And so this is my salmon arugula salad. Yum, yum, yum. Let's see how it tastes. All right, let's give it a taste test. Mmm. Mm-hmm. This is one of my favorite salads to make. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe, share, and let people know to come and check out my YouTube channel. I appreciate your support and for your attention, for you watching. I appreciate it so, so much. I hope that you have a great, great day, evening, whenever you're watching this. I love you so much, so much.